Today, I'm gonna make your life easier. Probably. Hey, what's up everyone? You good? This is Hyunmin Jung from HMJ Photography. If you're into photography, I'm sure you've wondered, is there a better way to carry my cameras? Well, today, I'm gonna tell you how I do it. And it's by using Peak Design gears. They're not sponsoring me, but I wish they did. I'll start with the most important piece of my setup, Peak Design Capture. This was originally made so that you can attach this on your backpacks or your belts. However, let me show you how I use this. I put these anchor links on this capture and attach it to my strap. Voila! So, when you're carrying your camera, you can attach it to your strap, but when you want to shoot, you can easily detach it and shoot. Also, because it already has this Arca Swiss base plate, you can attach it to tripods very smoothly. Ideally, I would love to use Peak Design tripods, but it's super expensive. So what I did is, I bought this Arca Swiss clamp and attach it to my tripod. If you ain't got money, you gotta be creative. Next up is this lens kit. What it does is, well, you can mount your lenses here. The mount comes in Sony, Canon, and Nikon. What I love about this lens kit is that you can attach this to your capture. So what I often do is, I hold my camera in my hand with a hand strap like this and carry my lenses on my strap so that I can always change my lenses without having to go through my camera bag. One thing you gotta be careful is that always close your capture tightly because, obviously, you don't want to drop your cameras or your lenses. And lastly, this strap. I use Peak Design Slide and it's made of material that's a lot like your seatbelt. It's very sturdy and I've been using this heavily for a couple of years now, but it hasn't failed me, at least yet. Being able to detach your camera from your strap so easily is so much useful than you might think. Straps take up surprisingly a lot of storage spaces in your camera bags or your dry cabinets. And personally, when I'm shooting with a big camera like this, I like to shoot without the straps on. Especially when I'm shooting videos, I definitely do not want my straps on my camera. So I really love how you can detach so easily with this Peak Design systems. Since I started using Peak Design products, it drastically made my shooting experience easier. So I really wanted to share this, and hopefully I can make other people's life easier through this video too. Well, that's it for today, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much, and until next time.